I'm Mark Johnson, and today my boys from Artisan Restoration are with me on a barn foundation restoration project over by Red Wing, where we've taken out 32 feet of wall, stone wall like that down there, and we've formed a new wall with our form system, and we're replacing a 24-inch stone wall with an 8-inch concrete wall. And all 30 some feet of it should work out pretty good. My concern is the last 2 feet where we had to enlarge the wall to 24 inches right over here. And so this wall over here is 2 feet thick. And we've made our own homemade wall ties here, using some ready rod, and we're hoping everything holds. I've got this braced over here, and hopefully everything is going to stay together. And anyway, we'll see what it looks like in about an hour.
You need to get that filled up on that